Hello, this is Enrique with Birdie Books in Westerville, Ohio. We've partnered with Libro FM to make it possible for you to listen to audiobooks while directly supporting Birdie Books. Today, I'll be showing how to create a Libro FM account, explaining the benefits to becoming a member in comparison to buying individual audiobooks, and showing how to become a Libro FM member. To begin, visit Libro.fm. Click the purple sign up button near the top right corner of the home page. Enter the email address you wish to create your account with. Click the I'm not a robot checkbox and then press Create Account. You'll then be asked to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for an email by Libro FM, open it, and then select Verify Email. Fill out the form with your information and then agree to the terms of service. Scroll down and select Birdie Books. If it does not appear, type Birdie Books in the search menu. Hit Create Your Account, and voila! Your Libro FM account is now created. Two ways to listen to audiobooks on Libro FM is to either purchase your audiobooks individually, or to become a Libro FM member via a paid monthly subscription. By becoming a Libro FM member, you'll be directly supporting Birdie Books. You'll receive 1 credit for $14.99 per month to use towards one audiobook across Libro FM's catalog of over 250,000 audiobooks. The list price of the book does not matter. 1 credit equals 1 audiobook. On top of that, you'll also receive a 30% discount on any individual audiobook purchases or gifts. Credits never expire, and they can be used for gifts to send to audiobooks to others. There is no commitment or contract. To become a member, hit the membership button near the top right corner of the home page. Select the green Start Your Membership button. If you have a promo or referral code, enter it here. Agree to the terms and services. Enter your credit card information. Select Checkout, and voila! You're now a Libro FM member. Only thing now is to begin enjoying your audiobooks. Once you find an audiobook you like, add it to your cart, click the Use Credit button, and start listening in the Libro FM app. I hope this video helped. Happy listening!